Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic hatchbacks in automotive history, the 1980 Volkswagen Golf Mk1. A compact legend that transformed the small car segment and still holds a loyal fanbase today. In this video, we'll explore its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap it all up with a solid conclusion. So, let's get started. Exterior. The 1980 VW Golf Mk1 carries a timeless design that instantly takes you back to the golden era of simple, sharp automotive styling. The body is boxy yet beautifully proportioned, with clean lines that highlight practicality and personality. The squared-off headlights, narrow chrome bumper, and signature horizontal grille give it a classic VW identity. From the side, its compact footprint, short overhangs, and tall roofline show why the Golf became the king of everyday usability. The Mk1 sits on lightweight steel wheels that match its minimalist charm. At the back, the simple rectangular taillights and upright hatch complete the classic European hatchback look, functional, straightforward, and unmistakably Volkswagen. Interior. Step inside the Mk1, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels basic, durable, and surprisingly ergonomic for its age. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, featuring big, easy-to-read gauges and simple controls. No digital distractions, just pure mechanical honesty. The seats are slim but comfortable, with classic VW patterns that give off true 1980s charm. Cabin space is impressive for such a small car, offering good headroom and visibility. The rear seats fold down, giving the Golf the practicality that made it a family favorite and a commuter's dream. Despite the simplicity, everything inside feels built to last, which is why the Mk1 still has such a huge following today. Performance. Under the hood, the 1980 Golf Mk1 came with a range of lively inline-4 engines. Depending on the version, power ranged from around 50 horsepower in the base models to about 110 horsepower in the sporty GTI. Thanks to its lightweight body, even the lower-powered models feel energetic and fun to drive. The handling is one of its strongest qualities. With front-wheel drive, a tight suspension setup, and direct steering, the Golf feels nimble and responsive on the road. It's practical in the city, confident on the highway, and enjoyable on twisty roads. Fuel efficiency was another major plus, making it a great everyday car long before fuel saving became a trend. The 1980 Volkswagen Golf Mk1 is more than just a car, it's a cultural icon that helped define the modern hatchback. Its classic styling, smart interior layout, reliable performance, and long-lasting build quality shaped the automotive world for generations. Even today, it's loved by collectors, tuners, and everyday drivers alike. The Mk1 stands as a symbol of Volkswagen's mastery in combining simplicity, durability, and driving fun. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car reviews.